What's going on, everybody? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. We got a quick video for y'all today. Behind me, this building is going to be a 24 by 30 by 10 foot tall building. It's going to be fully enclosed, fully vertical, so that means that the roof is vertical and the sides and the ends are as well. It's going to have a 36 by 80 inch walk-in door here on the side. It has two roll-up doors, one on the front and one on the side here behind me. The sides of them are going to be 10 by 8, so that means 10 feet wide, 8 foot tall. Both of them are going to have that header seal for added protection and noise cancellation. It's also going to have two windows, two 36 by 36 inch windows on the other side of the building. The colors on this building are going to be the light stone color for all around the building, and it's going to have the burnished slate for the roof and for the trim. Looks really nice, pairs really well with the customer's house. Also, the customer went ahead and upgraded to the 26 gauge PBR panels. So we'll take a quick look at those. They're going to be the thicker panels, and they also are going to have the different shape compared to the normal ag panels that come on our buildings. Now, we haven't asked this customer what he plans to use this building for, but it's a decent size, so you can potentially store, some cars in there, use it for extra storage for lawn equipment, things of that nature, or even just, separate storage detached from the house for, all the things that he can't put in there. But, just giving you some quick ideas as to what you can use a building of this size for. Again, that is a 24 by 30 by 10 foot tall structure. And that's it for today.